to the beach, each, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. That's like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't get too
I'm on the floor. I love to
and I got a little shirt because of my sun poisoning I got at the real beach. In Sophia. And so, yeah, it's been a really fun day here because we've never been here before. I think this theming is really cool.
There's Mount Everest. That's bad show, you're right. We're here at Blizzard Beach. We've never been here before. And there's Pandora. I know. Wild. We're near Animal Kingdom apparently.
I love my drone right now.
We're about to go on our first ride at the Blizzard Beach. We've never been here before, so we feel really confused about where to go. We don't know what rides to go on. And now we feel bad because we love going to Disney for the first time and don't know where anything is.
Now we finally understand.
All the confusion. We understand the confusion.
All the 500 questions you ever asked.
Yeah, so sorry.
Now get a video of her like without the drinks in it, like, and now like start doing your hair.
Now start like playing with it, like how Alyssa did. Oh my god. Okay, now let's all get a video. Of okay. Actually is. Yeah.
Cold beverages.
Tubes, kiddos. Who you calling Pinhead?
I'm Pinhead.
Is mine on the top too?
Oh, yeah.
Who you calling Pinhead? Pinhead?
Who you calling Pinhead? We're on the beach, Blizzard Beach. Do you have like a channel?
Oh, YouTube? Yeah! Okay, here, come on, Grace.
We met a new friend.
We met a new friend here at Blizzard Beach. What's her name?
Kiana.
Kiana? This is Kiana.
So pretty name.
It's amazing! I'm just like crazy under the water. still up footage of this. Wait. Do you want to see my whale impression?
Yeah, I do.
Ready? I said laugh on the television. And then you went under.
Wait, I had to be awake.
Ready, set, laugh. This is drowning. That was so much more funny. Do it again. Ready, set, go. I'm low on battery. I can't. Does it stop every time? No. Oh. Oh. You broke it, Sophia. Hi. Sophia, say it again. They saved you. So we were almost stuck on that chairlift right there. This way? No. I thought we went a different way. Oh, okay. They're stuck up there for a while. They're bringing them waters. Jasani.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
The worker looked at me when I said, we're going to be stuck up here. Because she looks at me like, oh my God.
Sophia's with some random stranger. Yeah, she had to go on the single rider line.
Single rider.
She ended up with this kid named Harry.
Then, who'd have thunk? Hey, Sophia, tips up. Tips up. That was fun. I liked that. Oh my God! I wish we had goggles.
I'm dead!
We just love her so much.
No way.
I'm sorry. Are you Christina? Can I get like a picture with you? Wait, let's see if we can find them before they find us. Yeah, we do not want to get caught up in that.
You know, most people think it's water in their trunks, but really, it's not. You know, guys, we've laughed together. We've cried together. We've fallen by driving. We've honestly very well nearly died together. And I feel like that kind of makes us like a little family. Aww. Just like any family. 10 minutes together is more than enough. I'm going to tell you exactly what my parents told me on my 18th birthday. They said, Skipper Haley. First name Skipper, last name Haley. Well, we love you oh so very much. But unfortunately, your free ride is over. So go on, pack your bags, collect all personal belongings, and get out.
I'm about to meet everybody.
I'm about to not because I do not know how to
Various people sworn to be in the galactic.
Reconnect the fusion cells. Power. I must have power.
Yeah, guys. Yeah.
And beyond.
Boy, who could saw? There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, straight on to the north. Come on, everybody. Here we go.